All right, I'm out in this ridiculously small tinny that I've just welded sides on. It's about 8.5 foot long. It is it is pretty tippy. I have a 5 horsepower Tohatsu. I still think I can raise it a bit more than what I've done. And I have a GPS on here, 3.6 k's an hour. We're just drifting along a bit. It's going to be a bit hard to film, but see how we go. Pretty fun. All right, because this boat's so light, the stock prop on this motor was a 7 pitch. I've just changed to a 9 pitch. It seemed to rev about the same amount, but the top speed we just got was 33.3 kilometers an hour. So pretty happy with that. Oh, well, if you guys like boats and outboards, please subscribe for more boat related fun. Cheers, all the best.